Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate that, each and every one of you. Also, I wish to invite you to my Patreon page or my YouTube membership site, where I'm uploading walkthrough of all the videos in this book, as well as many other things as well. I hope to see you, and I hope to see your support for what I'm doing. Thank you so much.